Year 2, let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to rebuild top end on a Honda trx90. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take the plastics off. Give you way more room to work with. And up on the top of the engine, you take these 4 bolts off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the exhaust off. That's going to be a 10mm. After you take the exhaust off, take this metal bolt right here out. What it's doing, it's holding that cap on the other side. You'll need that cap off to unscrew that 10mm there. So undo this. And then you want to come over here to the other side of this engine and take this bolt right here off. Right here. That's going to be a 10mm. So that was the cap that was on there. Take that, just kind of knock it off. This 10mm bolt, you want to unscrew that to get that out. And after you get that off, you want to take the cam sprocket off. So it's going to be 2 8mm bolts. You take those out along with that other bolt from the other side, the long one. This little thing can kind of be tough getting out. It's not really that tough, but some people do put the engine at top dead center before they take it out. I usually don't, because when you rebuild it, I mean, you just kind of retime it anyway. So after you take all that stuff off, you can kind of pull the engine apart. You can split it right here. Take a little pry bar or something, put it between the engine, and just kind of do that. So after you took this off, come off with it real easy. And set it to the side. But with these things right here, this dowel, they slide into the engine cylinder head, engine head. Do not lose these. You need them. Alright, so there's gonna be another 10mm bolt right there, another side. I'm gonna undo these oil lines, and then this head slide right on up. Alright, so on the other side, he took the oil lines off. So that would be it. Here's 2 10mm bolts. Take this, kind of try it behind that engine head. Just kind of keep doing that, then it'll come off. Alright, so after you do that, after you take the head off, there's a little clip right here in this piston. Grab you some needle nose pliers, take that clip out, because that's what's holding that wrist pin in. So that's the clip. You can usually only take one clip out. Whatever clip you take out, that's the side you want to hit to. So I took it on this side and go to the other side of the piston and knock it out this way instead of just taking both clips out. Alright, so I took a flat head from the other side and just kind of tapped it with my hand, and then this wrist pin slid out. So you can just kind of take that off. Alright, before you put this new gasket on, go on the engine and scrape off that old gasket. So you got the new gasket on there. Before you put the cylinder head, piston rod, you got on there. Remember those dowels you took out, put those back in. Alright, so now we're gonna put the piston back on. Remember you kept one of those C-clips in, circlets, and the other side of the piston. So we're going to stick the wrist pin on this way. So you got the wrist pin lined up with the piston rod, and that one C-clip still in on the other side. put it on this side, push again all the way until it stops, and then you want to put that one circlet back right here to hold the wristband. Alright, so you got the wristband in there with the clip holding it. Take your cylinder, some people call it a jug, feed those piston rings in there one by one real slow, and be careful, and then just kind of tap it down with the hand nice and easy, and take this timing chain and you want to put it through that slat right there on that jug. What I did was I take this, I'm holding this still. I'm holding the crankshaft still with these vice grips along with this pulley flywheel. Alright, so now that you got that back on there, put that 10mm bolt back on there. And after you do that, come to the side and hook this all line back up, these two 10mm. After you do that, put the dowels back in the correct spot, and you can slide this cylinder head gasket on for your timing chain. Do this little slat right here, and take this cap off right here. Spin this flywheel right here. You can see it right. You got it top dead center. But you spin this flywheel, and when you take that cap off, you're gonna look in the inside, and you'll see a T. Get that T lined up straight right in the middle. After you got all that done, the gasket dowels in there, you're gonna want to put the cylinder head on there. All right. I got this when this cam right here is top dead center, both valves are going to be closed, right? So it's going to line up like that. So when you put this sprocket on here, you can see this circle on the sprocket. That's going to be lined up with this line, right? So it's going to look like this. Wow, but when you do that, keep the flywheel right where it was with that top dead center line or mark. Let's put some vice grips on this flywheel to hold it steady. So after you get that cam sprocket in there, just go ahead and bolt the engine down, and then you can start timing it. When you time it, you just kind of take this sprocket, kind of just crab walk it backwards, link by link until it's timed. Which the dot, you can see that dot, barely. It's pretty close to this line right here by my thumb, so I won't have to move it that much. So when you get the cam sprocket in there, which I did, you can see that this little mark right here on the cam sprocket is lined up with this little nick in the head. While your timing line is still lined up right there. So you just timed the engine. So now you can go ahead and put this cover back on. So once you time it, we're going to start putting everything back together. Put this cover on, carburetor on, intake, all that, gas, whatever, pull rope, all that.
Lying on the floor, so you lay down on it and you do it some more.